Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're gonna talk about is you are the solution to change whatever you want in your life. So, with that being said, cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel because I've got content coming out every single day and you don't want to miss out on that. Also, make sure that you hit that notification bell because that will notify you every time that I put a video out. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So this video is obviously going to be a bit different from my other videos because if you really want to make money online, make sure that you do check out these other videos. However, this is very important and you have to know this. Here's the thing, if you are not where you want to be right now, no matter what area of your life it is, if you're not making enough money, if you're struggling to finish every single month, maybe you don't have enough muscles, maybe you're overweight, it doesn't really matter. No matter what it is, you are the solution and you can do it because so many different people are struggling with this. And some people are poor and they think that that's it and they're always going to be like that. However, look at all the people that were poor and became multi-millionaires, if not billionaires. Look at all the people that were overweight and then decided that it was over and then they had the body that they actually wanted. All of these things are hard work. You have to do it. It's not just going to fall down on you or anything like that. However, you have the power to change it. So if you don't do this and you stay comfortable where you are, nothing is going to change. If you are doing the same thing every single day that you've been doing from the start of your life or for a very long time, nothing is going to change, because if you keep doing the same things over and over and expect a different result, that is the definition of insanity. So if you want a different result, what you do is you have to change to do it. And don't reinvent the wheel. Some people have been through whatever you are trying to do. And they're all over the place. They're on here, on YouTube, they're on Google, they're on all sorts of different platforms. And you have to take their advice and actually implement it. If you don't implement anything, then you are not going to change anything in your life, because so many people learn and learn and learn and don't do anything about it. So make sure that you really start to implement things and just go and push through it, because that is how you are going to make some money or lose weight, or no matter what it is, or investing. It doesn't matter what it is. If you want to learn something, learn it and then implement it. You are the solution. I can't stress this enough. So many people have been through what you're going through and have found the solution and were able to push through it. So if they can do it, you can do it as well. No one is a superhero. No matter what you want to do, you can actually do it if you put your mind to it. So this was a bit of a different video, but I really wanted to share that with you because so many people are just struggling with that and not putting in enough action. So if you want a different result, make sure that you put the action. So if you really want to know the step-by-step, I have a ton of other videos that are exactly that. So make sure that you check these out. And also make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because I've got plenty of videos that are going to come out. Every single day I'm putting one out, so don't miss that out. Also, if this video helped you out in any way, make sure that you hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.